We're here to learn about public speaking. In today's episode, we're going to focus on using humor in your talks. Humor is your audience's digestive system. In other words, it's what makes the message a lot easier to swallow. Now, I'm sure there's a million points we could talk about in terms of humor, but I'm only going to share 5 of them with you. Yep, you know that's funny. I meant to say 5. That was just a little example. All right, number 1. Humor doesn't mean jokes. In fact, I strongly suggest stay away from jokes. You know what? There is so much humor in our daily lives that's a lot funnier than some joke the audience has heard a million times. Number 2, humor is always appropriate. With some exceptions, every speech I've ever given has always had humor in it because what people learn with pleasure, they never forget. Number 3, be funny early and often. Now, this is the key because laughter, it's non-verbal agreement with your message. And it has to be important because it keeps people alive and awake. Try to get a laugh every couple of minutes at least. Number 5 is nonverbals. Gestures, emotions. Just because you're talking doesn't mean you can't be funny. Anything you don't say can still be hilarious. Think about Jim Carrey, Conan O'Brien. They don't have to say anything. They're funny. Okay, you see how I stared at the camera? See, you can do that. These are nonverbal examples. Number 5, screw-ups. I will vow to you that some of the best laughs I've ever given in my professional speaking career have been screw-ups. Check this out. I gave a speech a few years ago at Wayne State University in Detroit. On the way into the college, I saw a big billboard that had M&M on it. Now, not the candy, I'm talking about the rapper, Marshall Mathers, Slim Shady, right? So I see this billboard, it caught my attention, and I was telling that story to the audience. And it was a total Freudian slip. But instead of billboard, I said, bullet. It was an accident, it came out terrible, and they died laughing because they thought I was making a joke about Detroit's crime rate, and long story short, it was great. We couldn't stop laughing. All of these examples are perfect ways to use humor to your advantage.